This elegant, barely lived-in home is ready for you and yours to make memories in. This floor plan and gorgeous color scheme is highly desirable and surely won't last long. Upon entry you will notice how clean and spacious it truly is. Just inside, the formal dining room per second living room will be to your left, and to your right are two of the guest bedrooms and a full bath. You will then find the large living room that is just steps away from a dream kitchen that offers granite countertops and cabinets galore with an oversized breakfast bar. The owner's suite includes a large shower west/a separate soaking tub, an abundance of closet storage west/built-ins. The third guest bedroom and bath are situated just off of the living room. You can easily have your own space to relax. There is a drop zone conveniently located just across from the laundry room, near the garage entry. The lush backyard